Hello, I'm Dryden, and I'm going to show you how to cook yellow summer squash and onion. Things you will need: yellow squash, an onion, salt, pepper, a baking pan, foil, a knife, a cutting board, and an oven. The first step is to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Next, line a baking pan with foil and spray evenly with cooking spray. Rinse the squash and place it onto a cutting board. Using a knife, remove the stem portion and slice the squash in half from end to end. Scrape out the seeds and pulp from the center with a spoon. Cut each portion in half, creating 4 equal-sized pieces. Now place the onion onto the cutting board and slice into thin slices. Place the wedges and the onion slices onto the baking sheet. Season with the desired amount of salt and pepper and cover with the foil. Place the pan in the oven and roast for 45 minutes. And that is how you cook yellow summer squash and onion.